welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you a detailed tutorial on how I colored this wig. Today's video is in collaboration with Donmily Hair. This is their box. This is their 24-inch wig, so I'm gonna have all the links and specs in my description box if you guys want to check them out. I'm not gonna have a long intro or nothing, so let's get right into this video. So I'm starting off by using my Blonde Brilliance number 9 and 30 volume developer by Salon Care. I'm gonna mix those together in equal amounts, adding a little bit more of the developer than the bleach. I'm gonna part out the section of the hair that I want to bleach, and I'm parting a little bit away from the center of the wig, so make sure you have a little strip of black right before the center of the wig. And I'm gonna just do the frontal. I'm not gonna color any of the bundles. So I'm braiding that out of the way, and then I'm going to clip down the hair to make sure that it is not gonna touch this bleach. Once I do that, I'm going to put on my black latex glove and I'm going to mix the colors together. Well, the products together. Once it's nice and mixed, I'm going to apply. I'm applying from the ends of the hair going up just so the roots will not process too light and the ends will process before the roots. Then I'm going to take my time and go through this and go all the way up. I allowed this to process for 25 minutes before rinsing, and you can go in and check it just to make sure that it's lifting to a good amount. And this is the brown that it lifted to. I'm going to blow dry this because I did not have patience to wait another day. I end up coloring this hair, well, processing this hair 3 times to get to my desired lightness that I want it to be. And then I went back in with the same process, adding more bleach, but this time I did the roots and then the ends. It doesn't matter to me. This is the next day that I did the last processing, and this is how light it got from doing the 2 processing, each 20 minutes. For this one, I let it process for 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure that you check it, and I did cover it with foil paper. And this is how it came out. It was like a more brassy orange color, but I was perfectly fine with that. So here I'm cutting off the lace because I'm trying a new install method. It's alright, but it's not as quick as my regular glueless method. This is still glueless, but it wasn't as fast as my method. This is the Ruby Kisses color 14. I'm using the darker side just to color the lace at the top and the bottom. And this is how it looks on my head. I do recommend just using some lace tint and then using a little bit of foundation because the foundation made my lace a little orangey a little bit, but I guess the orangeness came from when I did my makeup. And this is how it's looking. So I'm going to go into the bathroom and I'm going to use this hairspray to stick my wig down. It's very messy, but take your time with this. This is very important. I feel like this method is more for people that are already advanced. If you're not advanced in installing your wigs, I do recommend looking at my other video, my last video, and I show you how to do the mousse method. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting off the lace using a eyebrow razor. Then I'm going to take the edges out For my new well, not really my new install, but I did redo the edges as you've seen in my intro, and that was the next day. And I did not take any hair out of the top because I did not do top baby hairs. I feel like it looks way better without top baby hairs. Comment down below if you guys want to see my new baby hair tutorial. It's an Erickaj inspired edges. I'm going to hot comb the hair going down into my face, and then I'm going to cut this. Well, actually, I'm tweezing it out. Just make sure that your sideburns aren't too thick because it's going to look very weird. And make sure that you're plucking both sides of your temples. Well, the most. And thin out your edges if it's too bulky, please. I'm using this razor comb and I'm going to just razor down the edges. These are just regular edges with my hairspray.
Fuck what they think about you. Fuck what they think about you.
I'm using the flat iron to curl these edges, literally the same exact thing. But if you want to see the detailed tutorial on the edges from the start of the video, please leave a comment down below. I'm cutting it down a little bit more because it was too long for my liking.
You say you're alone and you're happy, but I wanna be the one to make you happy.
And I'm just swooping it. I did spray some of the Got2b on my brush. Literally the same kind of method, but just a little bit different.
My face starts to look familiar. You say that you're happy for me, but you don't seem happy for me. This shit is coming from an honest place. The line between my personal life and music's erased. And I don't ever sleep cause the moment I drift off, another nigga eats it and takes off. It's ironic cause I'm tired of it, and you don't want your life to change from it. You want that same old, you can tell that there's a change coming. But progression is a way of life, and I don't work so hard to have my name buzzing. You in the cut and you try your best to refrain from it. I spoke to money, he told me to pray on it. I'm finna Lauren Hill the game, and you know it, but you ain't into that fame, so I blew it. Shit is gonna be crazy when my crew hit, and trust us, it's definite we got love for each other. But you ain't going through no storms for a brother trying to act like.
Then I decided to blunt cut the hair underneath my boob, and then I did a few layers just to make the hair more full and have it blend properly since the blonde is underneath that black area. I'm just running my scissors down the hair, and that's just going to thin the hair out a little bit and give it more of a big, voluminous look. And as you can see, it's nice and flowy. And now I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair using my flat iron, my Babyless Nanopore flat iron. I did use some of this Bio Silk infusion oil. I put it at the roots and a little bit down the hair.
That's on my mind lately. Been working OT, don't got no time lately. Lot of shit that's on your mind lately, yeah. Talk to me, you know you my baby, yeah. My baby. I know. Been a long time coming, I know. Yeah, you got goals. Look at you now, baby girl, I see the growth, yeah. Wildin'. Love the way that you style it together, we vibing. Every time we link up, it's priceless, She don't like to waste no time. Oh, no. We don't like to waste no time. Tonight, it's all mine. Tonight, it's alright. Got you rolling like alright. Got you going, girl, you so bright. It's gonna be a long night, like all the other ones. It's gonna be a long flight back. When I really should've known that it wasn't gonna last. I was really too into you, got me tripping on that, yeah. Love how you look at me. Love how you look back at it. I swear to God, you too good for me. They gon' hit this and get mad at it. I know already, yeah, I already know. She stays so cold and unpredictable. Look how she go, it's like she virtual. She got me bad, she know I'm working on it. She don't like to waste no time. Oh, no, 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 no. We don't like to waste no time. Tonight, it's all mine. I put some gas in the split. I know you don't smoke, but baby, just take a hit. You said it yourself, I know you love to get lit. You said it yourself, I knew you was rated. You been fucking with me long before this money I'm getting. You been down to robbing by my side for a minute. Ain't no other bitch could ever take your position. And everything I do, you know the reason I did it. I red wine in dead time, leading me and you in a bedtime. All I see is the red lights. I ain't gon' stop tonight. I ain't gon' stop tonight. All gas, no brakes inside. Know this, you can't hold me back. No way, no way, no way. She don't like to waste no time.
And once I'm done, I'm gonna just tilt my head over and spray this Got To Be spray, and this is gonna make the hair, well, the curls hold in place. And then I just run my fingers through the hair just to take out this curl. And you can see it looks so nice and flowy. The layers make the hair flow perfectly. I love it so much. And then I went ahead and used my brush to brush these curls out so it can give it a big voluminous look. Like this video if you're enjoying it so far. And if you're still here, comment down below some pink hearts. I love this. Don't forget to comment down below and like this video. This is basically the end of the video, so just stay tuned and I'm going to talk to you guys. So I decided to do my makeup. I'm just doing a quick little makeup, nothing special, my same old. I just decided to leave this in the video because I like the quality of it. So you guys can watch this and I'll talk to you in a minute. Okay, you guys, this is the end look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below letting me know if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I did these new updated edges, because the edges I did yesterday was just like my regular type of edges. I still tried to like curl it and stuff. It's kind of the same method. I just didn't do these little curly things, but for this one I did the curly things. So let me know if you guys want to see how I did that. And yeah, this is basically the end look. Don't forget to thumbs up. Check out Donmily. I will have the links down below, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.